Jazzy, you're gonna be healthy with the Jazzy Vegetarian. Jazzy, so snazzy.
So join me in the kitchen right now.
We're gonna cook something healthy and light. That's right.
Chocolate polka dot bark. Ooh, yeah. It incorporates vegan white chocolate chips. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to melt some 55% vegan chocolate chips, and the polka dots are going to be vegan white chocolate chips. This is great for the holidays. So what we have is 2 cups of 55% vegan chocolate chips, and I am pouring them into a double boiler. And basically what we have is we have a large pot which we've filled with about 1 inch of water, which is boiling underneath a heat-proof bowl that we've set inside it. It's going to melt very, very quickly. And we're going to divide this into 2 9-inch square baking pans, which we have literally coated with vegan margarine, and we've lined with unbleached parchment paper, and we've left some wings on the side. The wings are going to help us lift out the bark once it sets up. And the reason that we coated it with vegan margarine is so that our paper will adhere to the bottom of the pan. That's a great Jazzy tip. I get my hot pad. It is very, very hot. Do want to make sure to use a hot pad with it. And we're going to get about half of the chocolate into one of our prepared pans. That's about right. And the other half into our other prepared pan. You do want to work fairly quickly. It's going to set up kind of quickly. You're going to want to get your dried fruits into your bark while it's still nice and soft. And then you're just going to tip your pan while it's nice and hot. There you go. Slowly let it go over the bottom. You want it to be a very rustic shape, because after all, this is going to be a bark. We're going to let it set up, and then we're going to break it apart. Now, for our polka dots, vegan white chocolate chips, and you just want to place your polka dots in a pleasing manner all around the chocolate. This is great for holiday candy and a fun one to do with the kids. And you can use as many or as few of the white chocolate chips that you prefer. We're going to pop this into the refrigerator once we get all of our flavorings in, and we're going to let it harden, and then we're just going to break it up, and it's going to look like polka dot tree bark. That's kind of the idea. All right, now we've got our polka dots. So I'm just going to start placing the raisins in between. And for our other one, we have dried cranberries. And we're actually going to do half of this one with just the dried fruits. Now this side I'm just doing with the polka dots and the dried cranberries and the dried raisins. So this half is nut-free. We're going to put these into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or until they're nice and hard. You can also put them into the refrigerator for an hour or so. And then we're going to break them into a bark. You just want to make sure that it's completely hardened. So basically, you just want to make this however you and your family like it, whatever taste you like. Be creative and have a lot of fun with it. That's the Jazzy Vegetarian way.